Marble polishing company Cobham. Are you struggling with dull, scratched, or stained marble surfaces? You're in the right place. We are Tile Cleaning Surrey, the go-to experts for marble polishing in Cobham. Call us at 01784 775 813 or visit tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Marble polishing is more than just a service. It's an art that brings back the natural charm and elegance of marble. With the right company, you can see a dramatic transformation of your surfaces. Choosing the right company is crucial. We focus on professionalism, expertise, and eco-friendly solutions. Our goal is to provide long-lasting results that go beyond just appearances. Marble polishing isn't just about aesthetics. It's about preserving your investment. A professional touch means using the right techniques and tools to prevent damage and ensure a stunning finish. While DIY can be tempting, it often leads to common mistakes. Let's compare these outcomes with the professional approach.
We chose Tile Cleaning Surrey for their outstanding reputation. The difference in our marble flooring is night and day.
It's clear that the expertise of Tile Cleaning Surrey sets them apart. Their attention to detail, specialised techniques, and commitment to customer satisfaction are unmatched.
Transform your space with the experts in marble polishing in Cobham. Experience the difference with Tile Cleaning Surrey. Call 01784 775 813 or visit tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk today.